Hello YouTube, it's me, the Mukisa 11. I'm doing another video outside, so yeah, you're gonna hear background noise. I'm just trying to get all the sun I can get while my car is being repaired. So anyway, this is another video showing some lot maintenance that I did. It's the before and after. Of course, my client originally came to me February 3rd of 2018 to get some small to medium locks installed on his undercut. He's maintained that style since having it. He originally had 40, but we combined one, so now he has 39 locks. This is what it looked like after I went ahead and interlocked his roots. The locks are thriving. He's almost a year in. I'm really excited for him. He just started like a clinical program, so he typically wears his hair up. So you can see the style that I did in a bit, which was like some little bit of a barrel style. But this is what the locks are looking like after almost 1 year. So I love the progress so far. He maintains an undercut, as I said. And he has 39 locks, and the size is small to medium, and the original length was 4 inches long. So this will look like when I did a little style. Of course, he's going to be going to his barber to freshen up his cut. And I was just showing you the detail, and he has a star tattoo on the back, which I feel like I always ask him about. But yeah, he has a star tattoo that you'll see in a second. But this is what it looks like when it was all done. So again, this is maintenance on 39 small to medium 4-inch Mukisa locks. He's had them for about 11 months. It will be 1 year on February 3rd. And I thank you for watching my video. There goes the star. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a fabulous day. Bye.